the duty owed here is to protect the community from their son intentionally harming somebody when they knew he was preoccupied with violent material, that he had access to a gun, he could use it when he wanted to, and he was disturbed. It's a parental duty. It goes far beyond careless. It's gross negligence, and there's absolutely a duty. And I didn't get a chance to tie that together, but I'll move on. What was the indicator to you that there was another relationship going on outside Jennifer Crumbley's marriage?
She spoke to me about it.
Okay. Did you notice anything prior to that?
I didn't notice anything, no.
Okay. What did she say?
She had told me that she had been seeing somebody else.
And did she tell you who that person was?
No.
And did she tell you when she saw that person?
After the fact, one time she did, yes.
Okay, tell me about that.
There was a point where I had noticed that she wasn't there in the morning, and she had mentioned that she had seen a man in the morning during work hours.
What do you mean you noticed she wasn't there? Was it before she was supposed to come into work?
I typically got in after her. I would notice that she had been there, her light was on and everything, but she was not there. And it would be about an hour until I would see her afterwards.
Did you ask her about that, or did she just...
I didn't ask, but she had mentioned, errands at first, and then she had mentioned about a week after that she was seeing somebody else.
And where did she say where she would go during those hours?
She said that this person would pick her up, and they would go across the street from our office.
To where?
Costco.
And did she say what they were doing?
Not directly, no.
Okay. And what did Jennifer say about, well, first of all, did she talk about her son very often?
No, not very often.
What did she talk about other than her marital issues?
A lot of it was about the horses. She would go there a lot after work, or she would say that she would go there a lot after work. She would talk about she had purchased a new horse just this past year. And then a lot of yard work, a lot of housework.
Okay.
I'm sorry, so I didn't catch that last part.
She would talk about a lot of yard work and housework she was doing at home. Mm-hmm.
Did she say whether or not her son was aware of these marital issues?
Not directly, no. He would overhear fights occasionally, but I don't know if they've heard anything else.
Okay.
Or he's heard anything.
Do you follow Jennifer Crumbley on social media?
We're friends on Facebook, yes.
Okay. And did you ever see a post about their son and how they bought their son a gun for Christmas, early Christmas present?
I didn't see the post initially, no.
Okay. So you didn't see it prior to November 30th?
No. I saw it on November 30th, but not prior.
Did she ever talk to you about guns?
No.
Okay. Do you have a suspicion about why she didn't mention that if she's mentioning a lot of other things?
Your Honor, I would object to this speculation.
I'll rephrase. Do you know why?
No.
Okay. You did at some point get an opportunity to look at the post?
Yes.
Okay, and when was that?
The day, on November 30th.
Okay, so let's go to November 29th, the day before.
Wait. Time out here. These two defendants are said to have been both having affairs. This is being testified to right now in the courtroom by the co-worker. And we remember at the last court hearing, the big problem was them blowing kisses to one another, expressing signs of love. There was even a motion ahead of today's hearing filed by the state to restrict their communications, the blowing kisses and all the I love yous during the hearing. Wow, is this really something? Is all of that an act? What do you think? Tweet us, let us know. We'll be back live right after this.